Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful nail art. I've covered my nail tip with 2 layers of red gel polish, and now I'm going to apply a layer of top coat. Do not cure this layer because we're going to spray into the wet top coat. I'm using white AirNails paint. With my airbrush I am spraying a white blob in the middle of the nail. Once I have enough paint, I'm going to spray with just air, and this will cause the paint to crackle up, and that gives a beautiful effect. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to cure the layer of top coat in the lamp. And now I'm going to apply a thin layer of a sticky top coat. This is to protect the airbrush paint, but also the decal needs a sticky layer to adhere to. Cut the decal out. And remove as much of the white backing as possible. Trim the edges as close as possible. Now put the decal upside down on a jelly stamper, and with a brush apply some water. This will cause the backing to slide off. And now stick the decal on the nail. And there it is. Now to protect the decal, apply a layer of top coat. This is the final layer, and I'm using a top coat without a sticky layer. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.